Okay, so problem 51 is about the area of a sector. So I'm just going to write down the formula for area of a sector. And just remember that theta has to be in radians. So for problem 51, they tell you that A equals 29 square feet. And then they tell you theta equals 68 degrees. So they want you to find R. Okay, first of all, this is not helpful because you need it to be in radians. So you're going to go ahead and multiply by pi over 180 to change it to radians. So 17 pi over 45. Alright, and then I'm just going to plug in everything I know into the formula and solve. So they already told me A is 29. I still have 1/2. R squared, that's, I'm going to find R. And then my theta is 17 pi over 45. So you have a couple different options here. I personally would just combine these two before I do anything else. So I would just go ahead and do 1/2 times this, which will still give you 17 pi on top and on bottom. 2 times 45 is 90, and then R squared. So right now this whole thing is being multiplied by R squared, so I'm going to go ahead and do the opposite, which is to divide. And whatever I do on this side, I need to do the same thing over here. And basically I'm going to get R squared equals, and then carefully in the calculator, 29 is the top of the fraction. This is a separate fraction in the bottom, so 17 pi over 90. And it's approximately 48 point, let's go 87. And so to solve for this, we're going to have to square root both sides. And so to be honest, I recommend you just save this in your calculator and just sort of square root the answer you had before. And it's 6.99, or you could say approximately 7. Okay.